Welcome to my YouTube channel, Everything Info and Tech. Welcome to this video on Artificial Intelligence or AI. AI is a rapidly growing field in technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. In this video, we'll explore what AI is and how it's changing the game. What is AI? At its core, AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI systems are designed to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, making them useful in a wide range of applications. Types of AI. There are two primary types of AI, narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI refers to systems designed to perform specific tasks, such as image recognition, speech recognition, or natural language processing. These systems are programmed to complete a particular job and are not capable of doing anything beyond that. On the other hand, general AI refers to systems designed to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. These systems are designed to be adaptable and flexible, with the ability to learn and improve over time. While general AI is still in the realm of science fiction, there are ongoing efforts to develop systems that can mimic human intelligence. Applications of AI. AI is already making a significant impact on a wide range of industries and applications. For example, in healthcare, AI is being used to develop new treatments and therapies, identify disease patterns, and even diagnose diseases. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, analyze market trends, and develop new investment strategies. In transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars and improve traffic management systems. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored what AI is and how it's changing the game. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, and there are two primary types of AI, narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. AI is already making a significant impact on a wide range of industries and applications, and its potential